Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Unico Hotel out in Montego Bay. Now this is one of three new hotels being built out here. The Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is being built to the right of this facility, and the Moon Palace, a 34-floor mega hotel, is being built on the left of this property. And this entire area is it is Lilliput in Montego Bay, and it's part of the Elegant Corridor, which has numerous hotels. And also on this strip is the Iberia Star Hotel. So this area is going to have some of the most luxurious hotels in Jamaica. Now, this hotel we're looking at, the Unico, it's a luxury hotel. And I shouldn't say 451 rooms, we should say 451 suites, because look at these two massive buildings. I mean, they're well over 10 floors each, and the hotel is only going to have 451 rooms. Now, the Unico is a luxury hotel out of Mexico, and this location is actually the first Unico hotel to be built outside of Mexico. So it speaks volumes as to the tourism product in Jamaica. And the same company that operates the Unico operates the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And that hotel is going to be over 20 floors. And as we said earlier, the Moon Palace is going to be 34 floors. So this is going to be a spectacular area. Now you might ask, why this area? Look at that beach. Okay, you see to the green area to the north, or to the top of the screen, right under the words, that's where the Hard Rock Hotel is going to be, over 20 floors. Look at this beach. This is the Success Beach area out in Montego Bay in Lilliput. And it is spectacular. This is actually the front of the hotel we're looking at now. I notice that other hotel in Rio, in Trelawney, they did the same thing. They built the front of the hotel facing the beach and the back facing the road. Very nice structure. It should finish sometime next year. And that's the road, the main road, the Northern Coastal Highway, straight ahead. Alright guys, we're just giving you a quick update, and we'll give you monthly updates on this project until they're finished. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.